Our news and clues again with his accessory drive. I need to include, I'm going to get a little chassis lube, driveline grease, and pack it in here to where it'll hold this ring in place. That's often necessary to do to help make sure that those springs stay in place to hold the seal tight, because sometimes when you got to knock them in place, if anything isn't just so, where you smack it a little too hard, that'll pop out and then it won't seal. You'll have to go back and rework that job, and if you're doing it for somebody, a customer, you're going to have to do it for free and buy that seal for them if you mess up and it leaks right away. So it is what it is. Little extra info. That's why we got news and clues.